Hello people and welcome back to Caught on Dashcam channel, a channel which features only the latest and craziest road moments caught on drivers' dashcam. Today's episode won't disappoint you when it comes to crazy moments, so make sure to stick around till the end. All the clips used in this video are for educational purposes, and with that being said, let's get this episode started. In our first video, we have some impatient drivers who can't stand being behind the bus. Instead, they decided to put themselves at risk of getting hit. A lot of drivers nowadays tailgate too much without even thinking the danger that comes with it. We also see a lot of cut-offs and exit dives as well, and it only takes one small moment of not paying attention to cause a catastrophe on the road. Camer caught some of the most reckless moments on his dashcam. Let's all watch and observe at how not to behave in traffic.
Tailgate much? Tailgate much? Whoop! What? Hey, what? What the hell? Cut him off. You're a moron. What if that was auto fit? What are you doing? You're extra diving. Good. It's green. Why you stopped? Go. Go that way. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Jesus H. Ah! Masso! Oh, you turned on red. Hold on. Yeah. You went right on red, and you're going right on red too. No turn on red. There's the sign over there. Do we have a cut off here? Yeah, I'd say so. Cut off. Tailgating, I guess, if he moved out of the way.
In this situation, we have a crazy driver tailgating, and on top of that, he cut off another vehicle moments later. Avoid being this type of driver at all costs.
There we go. Yeah. Went back to the left in case the camera didn't pick that up. Did you just stop? It's flashing red means stop, just like a stop sign. What the fuck, people? You know? Exit dive.
Pay close attention at the driver on the far left side. He cut up the entire traffic, and there was a lot of vehicles as well, just so he could get to his exit.
Just cut off the truck. Hello, and next time, yes, it was Toyo turn. Trucks prohibited from left 2 lanes. It says nothing about trailers. Oh, and there's a truck in the left 2 lanes. What do you know? What a coinkydink. Okay, yeah. There's a cut off. Cut off. Toyo turd.
In this situation, you'll see how these drivers casually ignore the stop sign. Even little kids know what a stop sign is, but these drivers apparently not.
And slow rolled it. And slow rolled it. And slow It's red. What? Mother... Idiots. Idiots. Yeah, oh, that was close. Are you exit diving? All panel systems, yes. Don't cut them off, don't cut them off, don't cut them off. You just cut them off. Come on. Yeah, go. Cut him off. Are you exit diving? Yes. Don't cut him off, don't cut him off, don't cut him off. Portsmouth quality flooring. Someone had a vengeful girlfriend.
Driver ran a red light at the intersection and caused a T-bone accident. Luckily, no one was injured, but this is why you definitely need a dashcam.
Singkot maguto siya po.
What's going on here? It's...
With this clip, we conclude another epic episode on Caught on Dashcam channel. I hope you guys enjoy watching and learning something from all these clips. After all, the purpose of this channel is to make you think about what's right and what's not. If you enjoyed this episode, consider leaving a like because that helps this channel a lot. Make sure to subscribe and click on that bell button as well. Until the next one, drive safe and take care.